Hello everyone, today we're going to unbox my new purchases from Dior. So first I'm going to unbox the gift that they got me when I made my purchase. As you can see, it has the Dior star on the packaging, and this one is a different one than the other ones that I've usually seen. So we're going to bring out the box. So first things first, there is a really huge box in here. So we're going to open this box now. It's kind of like a really large shoe box. So this is what we can see inside, and I'm going to unbox every single item. So first, on the right, we can see this wrinkle corrector, which has hyaluronic acid in it, and this is basically how it looks like. This is from Dior's Silver line in skincare. And I just read the back of the packaging, and apparently this is for both face and eyes. So now we're going to take out this bag that's here. As you can see, it's a full-size makeup bag and has the brand logo on the front and the zippers. And we're going to open the zippers now. So this is how it looks like on the inside. As you can see here, there's a mirror, and then on the inside we have this packaging. This bag was inside, and we're going to open to see what's inside. So here we have one of Dior's headbands, which you can use when like washing your face or doing your makeup so that you can get your hair out of the way. And there's also a Dior Beauty towel inside, which is how this looks like. So we're going to open this other bag now. Here, as you can see, it's a smaller bag, and the first thing we have here is the gift that they gave me. This is a perfume set from the J'adore collection, which is endorsed by Rihanna. As you can see, you have the different editions of the perfume, but like mini sizes, so you can just test and see which one you like. And then, so the next item that we're going to see is the Miss Dior hand cream. This one is the Blooming Bouquet Miss Dior one, and we're going to open now. So I'm just going to open the packaging right now. As you can see, it has the plastic packaging around it. When I was trying this hand cream in the store, the texture was very soft and very kind of like a melting cream. That's why it's also called melting hand cream. It kind of melts in your skin because it's so soft and buttery. And as you can see, this is how the hand cream looks like. And the last item that we have is this blue mascara from the Dior Show collection. And we're going to open the box. So this is how the packaging looks like, and for the color, this is the color, and it kind of appears darker on your eyelashes anyways, but this is the mascara. So next we have the last bag. So as we opened it, we have the gift, which is a box from the Sauvage collection for men, and when we open it, we can see kind of like a set of the mini perfume and also the hand cream, I think. And no, actually this is a shower gel. And we have this set. It's perfect for a gift, as well as like kind of like a little thing alongside a gift. Next we have this eye serum from the Prestige collection of skincare, as you can see here. And we're gonna open the packaging now. So I'm just gonna open the box here. As you can see, it has a golden packaging for this line, and this is how the eye cream looks like. When you open the lid, the applicator kind of looks like this, so that you can get like equal parts of the cream in all areas around your eye. So this is how this is. And last but not least, we have this Nude Dior Paradise perfume in the limited edition packaging. As you can see, this is a yellow packaging, which matches the vibe and the theme of the perfume perfectly. So I'm just going to open the packaging here. The material of this yellow case around it is kind of like a fabric. It's kind of like elastic here as well. And when you open the box, here you can see the perfume. So if you also read it on the description for the perfume on the website, this perfume has kind of notes of almond and bergamot and mandarin, and it's kind of like a citrusy and floral scent. Thank you for watching this video. This was me unboxing my new purchases from Dior. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with others. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye.